Lenovo D1 Pro to turn on Apple CarPlay. Full menu, car setting, system setting, factory setting, a password 2468. Okay, feature setting. Scroll down. You have to turn on the CarPlay and click save. Save will auto restart. Okay, after restart, go to full menu. ZLINK app, click in. Okay, before that you have to connect with your wireless Wi-Fi. Connect Wi-Fi. Okay, you choose for the wireless CarPlay, wire CarPlay, and on Android Auto. Number 1. Okay, you get a QR code. You have to take a picture, send the QR code to our service helpline, WhatsApp to our service helpline. To activate. So you have to take a picture for the QR code, send to our service line for active code. Optional add-on for the CarPlay service original license. Okay, this one is already active. Let me show you. So for the Apple phone, okay, can connect a cable. ZLINK. Okay, it's connecting. Okay, it's connect done. It's connect done. Back to Android player function, full function. Click for the ZLINK. So Apple CarPlay. Okay, back to home. Okay, second choice. Okay, unplug the cable. So now is use iPhone Bluetooth connect. Okay, wireless connect. So go to the full menu, a Bluetooth phone. So pairing with your phone. You have to search pairing with your phone. Okay, after pairing with your phone, back to home, full menu, ZLINK, auto connect. So this is wireless by Bluetooth connect. Back to home. Okay, so this is CarPlay for Lenovo D1 Pro version. 2020 August onward. Thank you.